Hello everyone, in this video I will show you top 30 multiple choice question about emulator in Android Studio. First, what is an emulator in Android development? So I will show you only answer, not means I will show option but I will not read option, only read questions answer directly. So my first answer will be B, means and a virtual device that simulate the behavior of an Android device. My second question is, which component of Android SDK is used to create a managed emulator? Android Studio, means I will show you the directly answer. So the answer will be C, AVD, yani कि Android virtual device. My next question is, which programming language is used to develop Android emulator? So maybe C++. You can develop and data emulator by C++. Which platform can you run an data emulator? Windows, Mac, Linux, all of the above. Next question is, what is the purpose of using an emulator during Android app development? बस क्या होता है? Test app compatibility, optimize app performance, simulate real world scenario for testing the app functionality, all of the above. Means all the things will be right. Means we can real world scenario see, optimize the app performance, test app compatibility. Next question is, which hardware component of a device can be emulated using an Android emulator? CPU, RAM, storage, everything will be consumed by this. They absolutely right. Next, how can you control an Android emulator? कैसे control करेंगे आप? Physical keyboard, mouse, virtual control, ADB control, all of the control is available in it. Next, which file format is used to store data of and state of an Android emulator? APK, AVD, ADB, EVD, entire virtual device. Which component is used to launch an Android emulator from the command line? ADB start emulator, ADB launch emulator, emulator start, emulator EVD. So everything we find means emulator EVD, D option will be right. Which tool is used to capture screenshot? Mean Android emulator. ADB, EVD manager, Android emulator snapshot. So maybe C always right option. Maybe no. A will be right. Android debug bridge का यूज किया था. What the purpose of an Android emulator screen? अगर हमको Android emulator स्क्रीन यूज करना हो तो यूज करेंगे B, डायरेक्ट ऑप्शन. स्क्रीन होना चाहिए यहाँ पे. Different device for certain screen size. Next, which feature of Android emulator allow you to get coming phone call and text message? Sensor emulation. So maybe C will be right. GSM emulation. Next, which tool is used to simulate GPS location on an Android emulator? ADB, MD manager, direct virtual VM जो होता है. Android simulator snapshot E. It will be right. ADB. Which command is used to rotate the screen orientation of Android emulator? कौन सा कमांड करेंगे आप अगर रोटेट करना हो? स्क्रीन ADB रोटेट, स्क्रीन रोटेट, स्क्रीन रोटेशन, volume rotation. Which is the answer will be D. ADB cell WM rotation. Next question is, what the purpose of Android emulator is snapshot feature? So answer will be E. Save the current state and faster startup in the future. Next question, how can you simulate device rotation on Android emulator? So this answer with device rotation means you can use of this. Next question, which tool can you use to simulate battery related event? Okay, so you can use maybe battery historian, maybe B, and debug monitor. Question is, how can you simulate network connectivity such as slow or no internet connection? So what will we use? So in this question we will use all the above: ADB command, virtual control, network setting. Next question is, what the purpose of Android emulator console? So maybe E will be answer. Control in command line. Next question is, how can we install and run Android emulator? So this will be answer will be D, and C you can use all the above. ADB command, APK file, everything. What the feature of Android emulator? Allow different level of latency and bandwidth. So maybe A will be answer, network emulation. Next question, what is the purpose of Android device manager? Means AVD in the, so you can use A answer means to create a managed virtual device for testing and planning. Which configuration setting can you customize when creating a virtual device in a device type, device name, version, all of the things available. Next, how can you delete an existing virtual device in every manager? So right click on the device. So all the above option will be right. Next question, what the purpose of the Android emulator quick boot feature? क्विक boot करना हो तो यूज करेंगे. A will be answer. Quickly restart the emulator without going through the full startup process. Last question is, how can access the Android emulator extended control? Maybe one option right.